We are getting ready to roast some chestnuts. I have a pound of chestnuts here. I found them at the grocery store the other day in the produce aisle. I've never seen them for sale loose like this, so I definitely bought some and decided to roast them. My husband looked online. There's two ways to roast them. You can roast them outside on an open fire, or we are going to roast them inside in the oven. First step is to preheat the oven to 475, and then the next step is to score each chestnut on the flat side. We're going to put an X in it with a bread knife. You want to break through the outer shell so the nut inside can get some steam inside when it is baking in the oven. All right, we scored an X onto each chestnut, and now we're gonna place them on a cookie sheet, X side up, bake them for 15 to 25 minutes until the skin starts peeling back at the X. And so it just says 15 to 25 minutes, so we'll just watch it. It depends on the size of the chestnuts, how quickly it bakes. I'm reading an instruction sheet off to the side. So yeah, I will just set it for 15 minutes and see what it looks like from there. It has been 15 minutes. Most of them have split open like the recipe said they would. And they do smell really, really, really good. So I don't think I'm gonna cook them any longer. I think I'm going to, so the next step is to cover them with a towel to let it naturally steam for like 15 more minutes. Don't you think, Holly?
Why did that one not open?
Because you didn't score it right.
That could have been the one you did.
It totally could have been me. What do you think?
Cook it. All right, do the next step.
All right, so the next step is cover it with a clean towel, and they will steam like this for 15 minutes. Tuck it in.
Seriously, tuck it in?
I don't know.
A bedtime story?
Yes. The night before Christmas, all through the house, blah, 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 blah. All right, here they are.
Still warm.
Yes, I'm recording, Haley.
So what, we're just...
Okay, so
you're
supposed to peel it back.
Yeah, that's not... And then how are we supposed to get it? I mean, I don't understand. This isn't just gonna peel back, so do you have nutcrackers?
Oh, I have nutcrackers.
You
don't feel like they're cooked enough? Here's the nutcracker.
Oh, here's coming. Just gotta...
I kind of remember when we got him at St. Charles that it wasn't easy. All right, so do you want the... Okay, good. So now I see there is something underneath the shell.
Well, the nut.
Oh, you're very funny. You know what? Never mind. I'm not talking.
All right, here's the meat of the nut. I'll make sure I don't have any shell. That's all shell.
What do you think? Do you like it? Is it cooked all the way? Do you feel like it's cooked all the way?
I mean,
that's a demon.
I don't know. It's fine. I don't know how it's supposed to be cooked. You know what I mean? So it's soft.
Does it taste good?
Yeah. So it's soft. I don't know. I think this is
all right, Haley.
how it was when we went to Main
Show
Street.
me what you're playing, so people listening aren't being like, "What is she talking about?" Demons.
Minecraft.
She's playing Minecraft. All right.
I feel like this is what it was on Main Street.
Okay.
Yeah, it's soft inside.
So if you haven't seen my Main Street St. Charles video, every year they do historic Christmas stuff along Main Street, and they have people dressed up in old-time carolers outfits, and they are roasting chestnuts, and that's why we wanted to do this. We always buy a couple. They're always really good, and Holly says they smell really good. They smell really good.
I feel like you need like a little fork. You know, like what's the little fork you use for like lobster?
I have them. Let me see if what I can find in my little kitchen drawer. Oh, wait, here we go.
Hold on. All right, I found some little
Actually for nuts, yeah.
nut pickers.
Nut pickers.
I don't know what else you got.
See,
So-
because I'm wondering if you cook it too long.
Oh yeah,
See, like why is some white and some is yellow?
Maybe that wasn't cooked long enough.
I don't know. I don't know which side.
Maybe that was just a bad nut. Like Veruca salt. It was just a bad nut.
So am I supposed to eat it or am I gonna sip?
No, don't eat that one. That's a bad nut. Well, they're really, really good. I think the only thing I would do different is I probably should have cooked it 5 minutes longer to see if they would have peeled back a little more. But they are actually really good. It's not something easy to eat, but it's fun to eat. And this inner nutty shell, it's edible. I've been eating it. It's not bad. You just don't want to eat the harder nut shell. I'm just wondering if I would have cooked it 5 minutes longer, if it would have peeled a little easier. Oops. Really, really good.
Oh, this one I might get almost all the way peeled back.
She's much better out of them. Me trying to do it one-handed.
So we're trying to decide if it's supposed to be more yellow or more white.
Like, did we cook it long enough or not long enough? I don't know. It still tastes good. Because technically you can't eat them raw, but they taste better cooked. Haley, are you going to try one, or are you just going to play Minecraft?
Well, I have to read my whole house. I'm kind of mad about it.
I personally think when it's the yellow, it's better.
I agree.
So maybe it should have been cooked longer?
No, I mean,
I think you did what you could do.
I don't know
Let's see
why.
how you could change it.
Maybe some of them are just bad nuts.
We don't have a squirrel.
You're a bad nut.
I am a bad nut.
I watched part of that last night.
Why are we quoting Willy Wonka?
Because we love Willy Wonka.
You guys want to see a video of Willy Wonka?
Is this the one? No.
No, if it's a bad video, if it's something weird that you saw on TikTok, no. Here, finish peeling this for me, Holly,
I
so I
follow
can eat
Willy
it.
Wonka on TikTok. I just want to let you know.
Willy Wonka has a TikTok account?
She'll show you.
I don't think is it something I'm going to wish I never saw?
No.
No, he dresses like Willy Wonka.
Like a person thinks
Yes.
he's Willy Wonka.
I don't know if he thinks he's Willy Wonka, but he pretends to be Willy Wonka. You know,
Not famous for it, so.
maybe it's like a cosplay type of thing. All right. I see no.
Ow! I can't get this. I give up. I'm not eating no
That one's a hard
chestnuts.
piece. Okay.
Someone peel me a chestnut.
Oop. And I almost lost it. That one almost lost.
Willy Wonka. TikTok.
It's really good.
Willy.
I can't really describe the flavor.
It's a hard one to judge. It's sweet. It's got a sweet flavor.
It's a little sweet for sure.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
You really
It's
can't
Willy Wonka.
compare it to anything.
Oh,
really
it's
is.
Johnny Depp Willy Wonka.
It really is Willy Wonka.
All right, Haley, try that. Tell me what you think.
There's like stuff on it.
No,
still.
you can eat that.
No.
Yes. No, you can eat that part. I'm taking the hard part off.
She's not impressed.
She's not.
All right, we roasted the chestnuts. They're really good. We all like them. It's just something we saw in St. Charles and we wanted to try it at home, and it worked out. And so Holly came over today, and go ahead, tell them what you did today, Holly.
So I did not come over to roast chestnuts. I came over to play Pokemon to finish my level 44 because I'm now level 45. So I came over here because there's more grunts and leaders in her area than my area. So I was able to finish my level 44 today. So I'm now level 45.
She's addicted to Pokemon. It's her hobby.
You're addicted to Animal Crossing.
I don't play it 20 hours a day like you do, but
I do work.
anyway, it's her hobby. It's her stress reliever. There's nothing wrong with that. We all have hobbies. That's the only thing that, you work and you play Pokemon.
You work and you play Animal Crossing.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I'm not arguing. I play Pokemon too, just not as, I'm only level,
Bye guys. I
What
hope
level
you
am I?
enjoyed
44.
the video.
I'm level 44.
End it. Come on.
Haley wants me to end it. So anyway, roasting chestnuts, a lot of fun, a great Christmas activity.
We would do it again.
The first time I saw them was this year at my grocery store, so it was in the produce section next to the green beans. I don't know, made no sense. So go to your grocery store, see if they have any chestnuts. Very easy to roast. Thanks for watching, and we will see you later.